When Mark from Hull needs advice about his ongoing health problems, he's found it easier than usual to get a response from his GP practice.
Hello?
Hi, it's Dr. Patel Campbell from Haxby Group. I understand that you had some questions about your blood results.
That's because his surgery is now offering a new digital and telephone service.
I found it extremely useful and the process is a lot quicker than the traditional way of phoning up, booking a face-to-face appointment and then going along and seeing the GP in the surgery.
Dr. Patel Campbell is actually based in York. He and other doctors with the Haxby Group are now able to provide cover for their colleagues in Hull, where recruitment of GPs has been a problem.
It's not seen as a desirable place to work, so there's definitely a disparity in the ability for us to attract and retain GPs in particular, but the wider healthcare workforce. So it's helped to equalise the playing field from those areas where we struggle to recruit to those areas like York where it is a little bit easier.
The Haxby Group had intended to introduce the new online service gradually over a 2-year period, but the coronavirus pandemic meant it was rolled out in just 2 weeks.
I think it probably has accelerated some of the innovation we were looking towards into utilising sort of newer technologies to basically give patients more of a choice in terms of the way they access care or appointments, whether that's on the phone, via video or face-to-face.
Patients can still, of course, visit their own surgery, but if they do want an online or telephone consultation, then GP said they'll get the exact same level of care whether that doctor is based here in Hull or 40 miles away here in York.
By going online, they free up our telephone lines so that for our vulnerable, elderly, demented patients who just can't use that technology, or patients with deprivation who can't afford the technology, they can still access the service.
Doctors with the Haxby Group say 80% of all their contacts with patients are now either online or on the phone, and they say they're convinced this new way of working is here to stay. Vicky Johnson, BBC Look North.